How to use Outlook on iPhone 15. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your home screen. And now once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Apps option available in there. Then once you tap on the Apps, again scroll down and look for the Mail option available there and simply tap on it. Then once you tap on the Mail, you can see Mail Account option available there. Tap on it. Then simply tap on the Add Account option available there. Once you tap on the Add Account, you will be navigated to the List of Email Providers option available there. Simply tap on the Outlook.com. Then all you have to do is enter your email address, then enter your password, and simply tap on the Sign In option available there, and that is it. Your emails will load automatically. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.